Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sayyada Ayman. Today I am going to give a presentation on topic acids and bases. First let us know the definitions of an acid and a base. Acid. Acids are substances which are sour in taste and turn blue litmus paper to red. Bases are bitter in taste and slippery to touch and they turn red litmus paper to blue. Examples of acids and bases are acids. Citric acid which is present in lemon, acetic acid which is present in vinegar, lactic acid which is present in curd and tannic acid which is present in tea. Examples of bases are sodium hydroxide which is present in soap, potassium hydroxide which is present in soap and ammonium hydroxide which is present in glass cleaners. How do we know whether a substance is acid or a base? In this case we can use indicators. Indicator is a substance which indicates a change whether it is an acid or a base. In this case we are going to use natural indicators. For an acid we are going to use hibiscus petals to make a litmus paper. And for a base we are going to use a turmeric paper as red litmus paper is hard to make at home. Let us see how to make these materials and let us test them afterwards. Let us see how to make litmus paper. The materials required for litmus paper are scissors, 4 hibiscus flowers, paper and a scale. We only require the petals of hibiscus, so first we will remove the excess of the flower, just like this. I am using 2 flowers each side of paper. So now I am taking 2 flowers and folding the flower like this and I will rub the hibiscus petals on the paper. Turn the paper and repeat the process. Now we will make a grid so that we can cut the paper however we require. Now the grid is ready to be cut. We can cut according to the lines. Next we will see how to make the turmeric paper, which we will require to test a base. We need water and turmeric for that. We will add water slowly into turmeric. To apply it on a paper, we need the turmeric in the form of paste. So we will add the required amount of water to make the paste. And its consistency will be somewhat thicker than the water. Now we apply the turmeric paste on the paper like this and we leave it for some time to dry. But make sure that the amount of paper you cover should be thick enough to test the sample we are using. And then after drying we cut it similar to the litmus paper. The materials we are going to test are sanitizer, soap, vinegar, bleach, lemon and baking soda. Our first item is sanitizer. Now we are going to test it using the turmeric paper. We can see that there is no change in the turmeric paper, so it is not a base. With litmus paper also it doesn't show any change, so it is a neutral substance. Our second item is soap. We are going to test it using the litmus paper first. The litmus paper does not show any change, so it is not an acid. Now we are going to test it using the turmeric paper. The turmeric changes to red slowly, so this indicates that the soap is a base. Our third item is bleach. First we are going to test it using the litmus paper. But using bleach, the litmus paper turned to white again, so it is not an acid. Now let us try using the turmeric paper. The turmeric paper turned to red, so it is a base. Our fourth item is baking soda. First we are going to test it using the litmus paper. It does not show any change, indicating it isn't a acid. Now we are going to test it using the turmeric paper. Turmeric paper slowly changes to red, indicating it is a base. Our fifth item is vinegar. First we are going to test it using turmeric paper. But it does not show any change, so it is not a base. Next we are going to use the litmus paper. The litmus paper instantly turns to red, so it is an acid. Our last item is lemon. Now we are going to test it using turmeric paper, but it does not show any change, indicating it is not a base. Now we are going to test it using litmus paper. The litmus paper instantly turned to red, so indicating it is a acid. My results are sanitizer, neutral, soap, base, vinegar, acid, bleach, base, lemon, acid, baking soda, base. Thank you.